What's up, guys? HW Slab Crusher 2020 coming at you today with a exciting video on a review of a few things I got in the mail. And right now I'm inside of the shop working on a couple of customs. I rarely let folks in on it, but like I said, man, I got a package in today, and I cannot wait to show you guys what I got. Big package. Some cool stuff is in there. Alright, for those who don't know, I buy a lot of 3D printed cars and trucks from a website called Shapeways. You can go online and type in 3D printed 1/64 scale cars and trucks, and Shapeways is gonna come up. And what it is, it's a bunch of different people that 3D print certain cars and trucks, and you can get them to do basically whatever it is you want. But I just like looking at the stuff they have and ordering, and a lot of you guys who subscribe to this channel and watch my videos and follow me on Instagram know that I have a few 3D printed items, such I have the 1/64 scale 2015 Chevrolet Tahoe. I have the 2017 F350 Dually. And I also have, I have two of those. I also have a 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 Dually. So today, I got a few items in that I want to check out. And here we go. This is a Cadillac. '80s model. And just the camera. I want to make sure we get a good look at this. Check it out, y'all. This is the '83 Cadillac Fleetwood 3D printed, man. And I mean, it is awesome. You can probably hear it in my voice. And the scale is perfect. You know what I mean? Let's see, you got this old school there. It matches up just right. So, you're gonna pay a few bucks for these if you want them to where once you paint them, you're not gonna see all the imperfections, but the frosted detail, I mean, it is perfect, I think. And you can do a lot with them, man. And what I usually do, I cut the wheels off and put my own wheels, paint them, you know. Just basically do a whole custom out of it. But man, this is cool. So, see what we got next. Oh yeah. Check this one out. Suburban Check it out. Boom. Oh yeah. Nice. I can't wait to put some wheels on this sucker. I have the Tahoe. I said, man, I want to do a Suburban. So I got it in the Ultra Frost detail. It's really smooth, but like I say, I mean, once you paint it, you're gonna see a few imperfections, but you know, I can deal with it. It's a little bit smaller than the Cadillac. If I'm not mistaken, man, this Cadillac just might be too big. If I can compare it to old school Cadillac I have, maybe that'll be another time, another video. I got so much stuff in the Hot Wheels room, man. It's ridiculous. One more, and a lot of you forum toy collectors are gonna love this. Dodge Ram Mega Cab Dually. Let's check it out. Perfect. Boom. Perfect. Check it out, man. You know, it's kind of hard to see because it's not painted. But like I said, man, these are actually 1/64 scale, dude. Like, I can compare this to some of my Ram trucks I have now. Let's see. Exact same. It's hard to tell, but it's the exact same truck. Even this one is a little longer because it's the Mega Cab. As you can see, let's kind of line them up. Well, it's a little bit longer, but I mean, dude, it's the same truck. Let's get the camera to get a better shot of it. See, as you can see, it's a bit longer, but it's the same size. So the scale is perfect to me. Now I found my caddy. Do a comparison to the Fleetwood. Man, it's perfect. These are true 1/64 scale, and this is a true 1/64 scale. This is awesome. Top shot. Nice. So yeah, guys, like I say, I always order these, and they can get pretty pricey, you know, anywhere from $25 to, man, even like a cool $100. But I think it's worth it, you know, for your dioramas and stuff you guys show, and you know, get this set up better. There we go. And man, I love these dualies, man. And like I said, I'd like to see more of these done by Ertl. I believe Green Light has one coming out, dually. Dodge Ram, matter of fact. I'm not sure if it's gonna be a mega cab or what, but and those who know me, you know what I'm gonna do to it. Big wheels. low pros. How we do it in Texas and Louisiana, man. We fix them up nice. So, like I said, man, I would try to get some of these, man, and oh yeah, that's gonna look nice on there, man. Real nice. Perfect fit. A little bit too wide, but I'm gonna fix that. So yeah, man, stay tuned, you guys. I'm gonna have some pretty cool stuff coming up, and like I said, man, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, man, and leave some comments, man. And I try to get back with everybody, man. And like I said, man, I appreciate all the followers, all the likes, everything, and you know, man, I wish I had more to show today, but I got all kind of other stuff in my head. I can't really think right now. I'm so excited, but yeah, man, stay tuned. I got some cool stuff coming, and I can't wait to get these customs done so I can show you guys. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Peace.